Alright, so what is some stuff that y'all know about matter? Some basic things that you know? Like some properties you realize.
There's 3 states.
Or like the properties of an object that tell you that it is matter. What's some things that you can just tell by?
It has particles and atoms and molecules, right?
More like physical properties. What can you do to know that an object is matter? Can you hold it?
Yes. Most of it.
Alright, can you see it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, not all the time. Yeah.
And is there only one type of matter?
It's either the addition of heat and take away.
There's 2 types.
Yeah.
What about energy?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
And how can we see the differences in the states of matter? What can we see physically about the states of matter, like the difference in a liquid and a solid? How do they act differently?
Sorry.
Go ahead. Some of them, like liquids, you can pour and they don't like hold a definite shape. So, like you can tell a liquid from a solid because a liquid won't hold its shape and a solid will hold its shape.
And on the papers, y'all can share if y'all will. It's a list of things, and some of them are matter, some of them are not. So we'll go down together and see which ones are matter and why it would be matter and why it would not. Alright, so rocks matter.
Rocks are matter.
Yes.
Because a solid, right?
Right, and baby powder. Y'all think baby powder's matter? What state would you think baby powder is in?
Solid.
How did it get to be baby powder? If it's a solid, it's not big. How's it ground up? Solid.
I guess
What kind of change?
just breaking it apart.
Physical
Yeah,
change.
physical change.
Physical change.
Oh, I was thinking like that.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Alright, milk. What do y'all think about milk?
Yeah, fluid matter. Yeah.
And air. What do y'all think about air? How can you tell? You can't see air, can you? You can't feel air.
Sometimes, like if the wind's blowing, you can feel air.
You can weigh it.
You can weigh it.
Oh, yeah.
And weigh air.
What about light? What do y'all think about light? One time,
No.
No, I don't think light's a matter.
I think so. It could be in a bulb.
Definition of melting.
Light doesn't
But
have
it's
Simply a solid.
But it's energy. It's not really matter.
What's the smallest unit of matter that we know of?
An atom.
Right.
Then light has atoms.
No, light is energy though. Light is actual.
Light is
Light
energy.
is energy.
But yes, light is energy. But I see where you're coming from because I could have thought about it too. Because lightning, it said about lightning. I was like, oh,
Yeah, but that's plasma,
lightning
isn't
can
it?
happen, but that's plasma.
Okay.
That's a state of plasma.
There's that word again.
All right. What about dust?
But sorry, can I go back? Light can go through matter, right? So I don't know where I was going with that. Right.
Okay.
I don't know. I was going somewhere with that, but I can't remember. Sorry.
What about dust?
Ice cube in your matter.
What kind of state do household dust be in?
Yeah, see, I was thinking like,
But it can
I
like
was thinking,
float
like,
in a gas, I guess. Like it can
your body.
like
The gas can move that, but it's so little that it's still a solid, but the gas can. That's how it transports.
yeah. Yeah.
So it can move around, but it's still a whole while it moves.
Right.
Alright, what about love? Don't think love matters. Does love matter?
Love matters, but it doesn't matter.
Could that be real? In cells, y'all think cells are matter?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
They're made up of atoms.
Yeah, the things that are inside cells are made up of atoms and molecules.
Alright, so that goes on to the next one. Are atoms matter?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're the basic building block, right?
Right.
What do y'all think about fire?
Yeah, that's fire. It's just the gas matter.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, what do you think about smoke? Smoke matter?
Yeah.
It's a mix of like a gas and solids because
So it is.
soot is inside. Soot, right?
Yeah. So it's what gives it the color.
Right.
Yes. It's a base. It's a gas base, but it can have solid. And then salt. Salts matter. How can you tell that salts matter?
Because you can touch it.
Can you put it into a container?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a sour.
What about Mars? What's some background information you know about Mars?
Has a lot of gas. It does.
Do you think it's a solid?
No, it's
Plasma, I think.
technically it is like solid. The core of solid.
Mars is solid. They
Yeah.
just, I think they recently found that Mars was solid because of the rocks and things that were on it, and it could support it.
Because I mean they can put a rotor on it and roll it, so it's solid.
It is solid. That was just like a throwaway.
Doesn't Mars have a lot of gas in its atmosphere?
It does have a lot of gas in its atmosphere.
Right.
What about Jupiter?
I don't know much about
But even
Jupiter,
if it's
but
made up of gas is still.
yeah. Yeah.
It's a gas giant. That's actually one of those there. I totally forgot Jupiter was a gas giant. And steam. Do y'all think steams matter?
Yeah. Just water molecules in the air. Yeah.
What about a rotten apple?
Yep.
Because even if you eat it, it's still going to be an apple. It just won't be as much of it, and it might be less of it.
It's going through a chemical change, like it's rotting a chemical change.
I would think so, because it's like, it would change it.
It's changing into a liquid, right? When something decomposes, it changes into a liquid.
Yeah.
Right?
Because
It's like bacteria, but it's bacteria. Bacteria is like, it's bacteria.
But it stays as a solid.
Isn't bacteria
it's
not?
like that.
Oh no, y'all are fine. I just did this. Second grade.
Yeah. Solid, but it's
What about heat? Do y'all think that heat does matter?
Heat is a form of energy too. Just like light produces another form of energy, which is heat, right?
Yeah,
Can
it's-
heat affect matter?
Yes.
Yeah.
So like a frozen chicken out of the
What does it do? What does
freezer
it do
and
to
you just
matter?
set it.
Speeds up the molecules, so it changes state.
That's
From like solid to liquid and liquid to gas.
What about sound waves? Do y'all think sound waves matter?
Yes.
No, but they can move
Yeah.
matter.
They can't prove it,
Yeah.
but it's not matter.
No, it's energy too.
Water.
Water's matter.
What about bacteria? Oxygen?
Yeah.
What about the stars? Do y'all think that's matter?
Yeah, because they're gas.
Oh, they took both questions right there. What about gravity?
No.
It's a force,
Gravity is a force affected by matter.
right? And it pulls matter.
What about a magnetic force?
Still.
But a magnet,
A magnet would matter, but the force is.
right? The force.
What about dissolved sugar? And what state would it be in?
Still in a solid. We talked about this in our last discussion. How like when we talked about the dissolved salt, like even though you can't see it, it's just in really, really, really tiny particle forms. Like it just breaks it down into a smaller form because you can still take the sugar or the salt out of the water by boiling it. But it's just really tiny. It's just broken down, right? I think.
Do you know what classification it would be put under in the two different classifications? When they were combined, what kind of matter classification it would be in out of pure elements or mix?
And that, so only two are melting.
And what about electricity? Alright. So to go back, matter is anything that, what do you
It takes up space and
Well, that's not necessarily true because a gas.
gas.
But it has a
takes up
density
space.
and volume.
Matter is something that takes up space and has, I forget what the other part is.
Mass.
Mass.
Alright, take one more, maybe 40 seconds, this is it, and wind it up,
One more
okay?
question. This one is one that stumps a lot of people. I actually found in my research. When you breathe out, are you releasing matter into the atmosphere? It's carbon dioxide. And it's hot air steam.
I feel like it's more.
It's hot air steam.
It depends on if it has water in it, right? Yeah.
Steam is water vapor. Yeah, yes. A lot of people just think that hot air is steam, and you just kind of like, when you blow in a car window, that's steam that you produce, but that's condensation.